What's new, crew, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Cassandra. Doing an intro from out on my deck today because I'm monitoring small children play in the yard. But I'm bringing you guys along through a week in my kitchen, just showing you guys different recipes that I'm trying, either from Pinterest, and if I get them from Pinterest, of course, I will link them down below. I'm also going to have little pop-ups come up throughout the video on what blog they came from or what website, so you guys can just go directly to the website. If you want to check out some other things, I'm also doing like Tide and Trues. A couple things you're going to see throughout this video are a lot of baking, like a lot of cookies, a lot of fun snacks, because we make almost all of our snacks from scratch in-house these days. So I just wanted to show you guys some different things we're trying. Let's go ahead and bring you guys along into my kitchen. For snacks this week, I think what I'm going to do is make some chocolate chip cookies. These are what the kids want. I'm just going to follow the recipe on the back of this chocolate chip thing. And then I saw these raisins and I thought, you know what sounds really good? Some oatmeal raisin cookies with like a ton of cinnamon. I don't think my kids like oatmeal raisin, but I do. And I don't know if it's the fall vibes going on outside right now. It's like 50 degrees. It's kind of raining. I've got my windows open. My fall candles burning. So let's just spend the day baking some stuff. I'm caught up in the garden. I'm caught up on canning. I have some green beans that I need to get in the freezer, but that is okay. I will get those done later. And I just want to hang out with the kids. So we're going to make some cookies. I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to spend the next... It's 10 o'clock, so we'll probably get these in the oven and then have some with lunch. You opened and did it?
Yeah, I did it.
Woo! We've also got lots of forts happening today because that's what you do on a rainy day. So the kids built this very awesome fort. They were all kind of hanging out in here. So it's just like movies galore. We're doing forts. We're gonna bake some cookies and we're just gonna have a really chill, fun day because that's what you do on rainy days, right? Here is our sugar cookie dough. Tastes good. We did taste test it, of course. We're ready to go. I'm just gonna put them into balls, put them on my ginormous cookie sheet that I got from Walmart a couple years ago. These bake at 350. I can't remember exactly. I want to say for like 20 minutes. The recipe will be down below, of course. Here are our super soft sugar cookies. These are awesome. I personally love these. I like a really soft cookie, and that's exactly what these are. I broke one in half here. You guys can see just how they're so good. They're definitely a really buttery sugar cookie. So if you don't like that, maybe this isn't the recipe for you, but they're awesome. Also, portion. My 6-year-old helped me portion these, so that's why some of them are really big, some of them are really small, but we had a grand old time doing it. The kids are eating plain ones right now with their lunch, and then after lunch we'll make some cream cheese frosting and the kids can decorate them and do what they want, but we're gonna wait until a little bit after lunch and then use the rest of these cookies as like an afternoon snack and a little bit of a project, kind of like before quiet time and nap time and stuff. So, but these are super good. These, I'm telling you right now, these will not last. Like, these will be gone probably within 24 hours, so they're that good. So highly recommend. And not related, I'm waiting for my water to boil so I can make some hard-boiled eggs because I really want chicken salad for lunch and I really want to put in some hard-boiled eggs because we have eggs. Today for snack we're using the rest of the cookies that we made yesterday. Yesterday we just ate them plain, but then today the kids and me made batches of frosting, and then they're just gonna make little fruit pizzas out of them. All I have right now are frozen blueberries because it's towards the end of the month, so we don't have any fresh fruit left, but we've got lots of frozen fruit left. So blueberries is what they picked, so this is what they're gonna use as like a snack today, a little fruit pizza that they're gonna be making, and just a fun activity to give them something to do too, because summertime, man. I just finished mixing up a thing for some zucchini bread. I tried a different zucchini bread recipe last week. I'm not gonna be showing that in this video, but I'll link down below the 2 recipes that I did. We did a chocolate one and then a like regular apple. It had applesauce in it. We made muffins out of those. Those are gone, so we're gonna do this one. We're actually just gonna make regular straight up bread today. So this is another new recipe for me. Have not tried this one before. It was really simple. I will link all the recipes down below for you. Now all I have to do is actually get this in the oven. I'm going to scrape the sides really quick, make sure that I got all the flour and everything off the bottom. Give it one more mix, throw it in the oven. I think the recipe said 350, basically until the loaf is done. I think our zucchini bread is almost done. It smells very cinnamony. There's a lot of cinnamon in this recipe, which I'm excited to try. So we'll have some of that too, and then I like mine with butter. So We'll wait for that to come out of the oven, slap it with a little bit of butter, have a good old taste. My husband's gonna be excited when he comes home and sees that we have zuc bread. So zucchini bread is rolling. These are going. We also made these funfetti cookies. They're decent, they're a little dry. The kids seem to really like them though, and my nephew was here today and he really liked these as well. I sent a couple home with him. We'll probably also eat some of these cookies maybe. So I found this recipe on Pinterest. If I remember, I will link it down below. It was really, really easy. Today for breakfast, I'm gonna be making these puffy pancakes, or like German pancakes. I will link this down below, but it says it takes about like 30 minutes to bake. And today's the day to do it because we have cousins over for breakfast. So let's have fun. Plus, I have this whole basket of eggs I need to go through, and the recipe calls for 6 eggs. So let's get some of these eggs used up. Let's make some puffy pancakes and see how delicious they actually are.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
What we have to do now is mix this up, dump it in 9x13 in a pan that we coat with butter, bake it at 400 for 30 minutes, and we're gonna have some puffy pancakes, so let's do that.
This time, I thought I would never be fine.
So this is pizza dough that I made this morning. What I think I'm gonna do for dinner tonight is make a bunch of small pizzas with different toppings on top, and the kids can all just kind of pick, or maybe they'll make their own. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but it's a lot of pizza crust. I know that I want to make some sort of individual pizza for all the kids, like little pizzas. And I also want to get some garlic bread. And how I make the like garlic sticks out of these is I'll take the dough, roll it out in the shape of a pizza, and then I will melt some butter and put some garlic salt in the butter and smear that across the crust, top it with just cheese, and then bake it in the oven like I would the pizzas. And it makes this butter garlic cheese sticks, and they're really, really good. Dip them in the pizza sauce or marinara sauce. So yummy. So lots of things happening with this. Of course, I'll show you guys like what ends up happening here. Thank you guys so much for watching and taking a little bit of time out of your day to hang out with me. Let me know down below some of your favorite recipes. If you have any links for some really great blogs that post just really great fun treats for kids, especially heading into the fall time. I'm going to link another website down below that I just found. I was actually looking for an apple pie canning like how-to step-by-step thing, and I found this website. I'm pretty sure it's called like Fantastic Anna's or Anna's Simple Life or something like that, but I will link it down below. I found so many. This website is just full of so many ideas, especially with like really fun fall treats that you can make with your kids, or Halloween treats or something, or even if you're just looking for ideas for like a Halloween party your kids are gonna be having at school or something like that. I know that's weeks out, but if you are looking, I still wanted to link it down below. I'm gonna be going back to this website. London, my oldest, she's almost 7. She was sitting up at the computer with me while I was scrolling this website, and she found so many things she wants to try, so we're definitely going to hit up that website again and try some of their stuff.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no man.